everybody to do? Bad 883 here. Welcome to the channel. You know, everybody has been asking, so I am going to be talking about the Batwing Fairing on the Iron 883. I posted up on some forums yesterday, just posting up pictures of the Bagster, and geez Louise, I had hundreds of people ask me about the fairing, and they want to know how I was able to do it and where did it come from and everything else like that. So I'm going to be showing you guys the whole 360 of the Batwing Fairing. I'm going to show you guys and talk about how I got it mounted onto the Sportster, the Bagster. And I'm also going to talk about the company that actually did this. And man, them guys are so cool, man. They definitely, you know, I talked to them, they hooked me up, sent it out, gave me the instructions on how to mount it onto the bike and everything else like that. So that was pretty dope. I'm gonna go ahead and hit up a nice little spot, you know, and everything else like that. They love the Bagster, man. They love it. One thing that I really appreciate a lot of guys talking about right now on Facebook is just the fact that it's different. They saying like they have never seen a Sportster done like this, and you know what I mean, and that means a lot, you know, because it's all about, you know, like I said, your motorcycle got to be you. You got to make your motorcycle you, you know what I'm saying? So, but yeah, you guys, I'm going to find a nice little spot. We're going to set it down. We're going to go ahead and do a nice little breaky down on the Iron 883 Bagster and show you guys exactly how I was able to get this fairing mounted onto it. All right, you guys, this is the official review of the Batwing Fairing for the Iron 883, the Bagster. Dope company hooked me up. I found them on eBay, USA Biker Com. Man, they definitely took care of me, man. Got in contact with them. I saw that they had the fairings. This company is absolutely amazing, man. They actually specialize in making custom fairings to fit basically whatever bike. They have a list on their page that you can actually check out. I'll post a link right here in the description, but you basically just go and check it out. This is the fairing. There's a two-piece, the outer side and of course the inside. The cool part about this fairing is that it gives me the option to add a sound system in it. So they have the actual fairing, but they also have ones with cutouts for like 6.5mm speakers and different sizes. So I believe they have like 5 and all of the different sizes. You need it like double speakers, like 4 speakers, like boop, 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 boop. They do that too. They sell the brackets for the speakers so you can mount the speakers. They also sell the brackets for the single DIN radios. One thing you just got to be careful of as far as when you get this fairing is to make sure that when you fit everything inside of the fairing, that it fits really nice and neat. You don't want it to be pressing up against your fairing, so when you go to tighten it down, you don't want it to crack. So that's just one thing that you just want to kind of keep an eye out for. There hasn't been a time that I've been riding since I put it on and I have not turned heads. Everybody is looking at me. Everybody see the Bagster coming down the street. They give me the deuces. You know, when they send it to you, they send it to you raw. So it doesn't have any paint or anything else on it. I painted this myself and it came out amazing, man. Like you can use whatever type of like paint that you know that you have. If you want to do something, I guess, that you can paint on it and peel off, something like that. I don't know. You can also get it like professionally, like, you know, paint it too as well. So that's why they send it to you like that. It's made completely out of fiberglass. So the cool part about it is that if you do get a chip or a break or anything else like that, you can definitely fix it by just getting some fiberglass, some resin, and boop, 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 you know what I'm saying? And it's all good. So let me show you the bracket. If you guys can see it, I'm gonna come around the side. So as you can see, the bracket, they have their own custom brackets that you can use to mount onto your forks. You just basically clamp, drill, screw, boom, boom. You got your fairing mounted on there. It only took me maybe about like a couple of minutes to get it installed for real. So, you know, that's absolutely dope. They also come with different selections as far as visors. Now, my visor, it came stock with a clear visor. I'm kind of regretting getting this one because it smudges so easily. I'm thinking about switching this out to a tinted visor or maybe a reflective visor. I take this bike on the highway a lot, and when I do, I'm talking about tons of wind, man. It's pulverizing on me. This fairing helps so much with keeping that wind off of me, and it's very lightweight, so the wind just shoots right over me. I love it, man. I absolutely love it, man. I think this was probably one of the best things that I've ever did on my Harley Iron 883. This is one of the best cosmetic mods that not only just helped me as far as cosmetically, as far as just getting the look that I wanted, but it overall helped me with just making sure that, hey, like, you know, it's comfortable. It's more comfortable to ride now. You guys definitely check out USA Biker Con, man, on eBay. I'm pretty sure they have a website too. It might be on there. I'll check it out. If they do, I'll post it up in the link right here. Check them out. Tell you Bad 883 sent you, and they gonna take good care of you, man. Just make sure when you go in, you get your fairing, you make sure that you look on their list and you pick the right fairing that's gonna fit for your bike. If you do not see your bike on there, contact them. They may have a mount for your bike, so you can go ahead and contact them and let them know. They have multiple different kinds of fairings and everything else, so definitely check these guys out, man. They hooked me up throughout this whole COVID-19 thing. You know, they still working, still keeping it safe. Shout out to USA Biker Con for taking care of the Bagster and the Bad 883. Man, I hope you guys love the content, man. USA Biker Con, man, they definitely took care of me, man. Shout out to USA Biker Con. You know, if you're enjoying this content, please be sure to subscribe to the channel, smash that like button, as you know, give that bell icon a good rub down. And I will be sure to keep y'all in the loop with all of the how-tos, all of the DIYs, all of the test rides, installs, and all of the fun. You already know. This is Bad 883, man. Y'all don't forget to subscribe. Until next time, y'all stay safe on these roads. Keep a lookout for all these crazies. Deuces.